This dance is called Whiskey on the Shelf. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to shuffle forward on the right, rock forward on the left and recover, shuffle half a turn over your left shoulder, quarter close, quarter, and again, quarter close, quarter. So you should be back facing 12 o'clock. That set of steps once more. Shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, half shuffle. Now we have got right in this very first section the equivalent of a full turn with those 2 half shuffle turns. Should you need to try and take that out, just turn them into back shuffles. So your non-turning steps would be right shuffle, forward rock and recover, back shuffle, back shuffle. So don't do those turns on those 2 half shuffle steps. Non-turning option, should you need to take that full turn out. So having done your final half shuffle turn, you're going to turn yourself quarter of a turn to the left as you rock to the side on that left and recover your weight on the right. Into a little weave, behind side cross. You're going to step the right, slightly diagonally back, touch that left heel forward. Step the left beside the right, touch the left beside the right beside the left, even. Step back on that right, touch that left heel forward, clap twice. So I'll just do the last half of that section, those toe heel touch steps. So you're going to step that right, diagonally back to the right, touch that left heel forward. Step the left beside the right, touch the right beside the left. Step back on the right, touch that left heel forward, clap twice. They are done fairly quickly. So the whole of that section once more, starting with that quarter turn into that side rock. Off on the left, 7, 8, turn, rock, behind side cross, and heel and touch, and heel, clap, clap. Add those 2 sections together. Shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, rock, behind side cross, and heel and touch, and heel, clap, clap. You're going to now step the left beside the right, touch the right beside the left, step back on that right, touch that left heel forward again. Bring the left back beside the right into some point switches, pointing the right to the side, step the right beside the left, point the left to the side. Into a left sailor step, behind side, side, cross that right, behind the left, and wind yourself half a turn to the right. That set of steps once more then. From your heel, clap, clap. And touch and heel into your point switches. Off on the left. 7, 8, and touch and heel and point, sailor step, behind and white. Add that to the top. Shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, rock, behind side cross, and heel clap, clap, and touch and heel and point, sailor step, behind and white. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. Into a full triple turn. So you're going to step your left forward as you make that half a turn, so half a turn left, stepping that left forward, step the right beside the left, then make a further half a turn left as you step forward on that left again. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left, bring the right beside the left, stomp the left forward, scuff the right. That set of steps once more then, rocking forward on that left. 7, 8, forward rock, full triple turn, forward rock and stomp, scuff. Now it is by virtue of its name, a full turn and that full triple. Should you need to try and take that out, just change it to a coaster step. So you'll do a forward rock, coaster step, forward rock and stomp, scuff. So non-turning steps should you need to take that full turn out in that last section. Now I will demonstrate that particular full triple turn whilst we're doing the walkthrough. I'll actually be doing the non-turning coaster step option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full triple turn so you know where it is in the dance. It is the end of the dance when you get to that point, so let's put it all together. Right shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross and heel and touch and heel, clap, clap, and touch and heel and point, sailor step, behind and one, forward rock, full triple turn, forward rock and stomp, scuff. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Right shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, a half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross and heel, and heel, clap, clap, and toe and heel, and point, sailor step, behind and white, forward rock, full triple turn, forward rock and stomp, scuff, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross and toe and heel, clap, clap, and toe and heel, and point, sailor step, behind and white, forward rock, full triple turn, forward rock and stomp, scuff, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross and toe, heel, clap, clap, and toe and heel, and point, sailor step, behind and white, forward rock, full triple turn, forward rock and stomp, scuff. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross, and heel and tailor, heel back, turn right heel and point, sailor step, behind and one, forward rock, forward rock and stop, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross, and heel and tailor, heel back, turn right heel and point, sailor step, behind and one, forward rock, full triple turn, forward rock and stop, shuffle, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross, and heel and tailor, heel back, turn right heel and point, sailor step, behind and one, forward rock, full triple turn, forward rock and stop, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn rock, behind side cross, and heel and tailor, heel back, heel and point, sailor step, behind and one, forward rock, full triple turn, forward rock and stop, shuffle, turn rock, and turn, forward rock, shuffle, turn rock, and turn right heel, forward rock, shuffle, turn rock, and turn, forward rock, shuffle, turn rock, and turn,
it's the best I ever felt.
forward rock,
That gives you more than Irish whiskey on the shelf.
hope you managed that one.